Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the screen flickering on your HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. So first, we need to adjust the brightness in the settings. So go to the settings, now go to display and brightness. And here, as you guys can see, we will have the brightness. We'll be able to change that either to low or high. I have it at the minimum, so it's more than 50%. And now make sure to disable the automatic brightness. You can only use it at night. And now moving on, we cannot install an app to fix the screen like a screen dimmer because this phone does not support the Google services. So all we gotta do and what is left to do for this device is to check for software updates and hope that it fixes our situation. So go to settings, scroll down, go to system and update. Now here, let's click on software update, and now make sure that you're running the latest version of your MUI. If you do, then that's good. If you don't, then that might be the issue of your screen flickering and you should update to the latest version. So that's basically it for this device. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.